Welcome to another class. Welcome to another second section in our first semester class in this digital class. This is digital marketing for beginners to the last level. All right, so welcome to our YouTube channel, Journey for Digitals. If you have not subscribed, in my previous video, I told us if you have subscribed, chat me off for a gift. Okay, for one of the book I do said I want to give you for free about money. Okay, how you can make money with ease. All right. So if I have not responded to you, please chat me up back, comment on this thing so that I can locate you and give you your valuable gift. All right. So we want to look at digital marketing. All right. Most of us, everybody used to talk about digital marketing. Digital marketing. Do we really know what digital marketing means? Not everybody knows what it means. I've seen some people several times talk about I want to learn digital marketing. It's like you want to know everybody in Nigeria. Okay? I want to know everybody in Argentina. Is that possible? Okay, so digital marketing is a broader concept that we need to check and look into it. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go there. All right, so by the end of this class, you must be able to know the concept of digital marketing. You must know why digital marketing. Why? Why? Why are you inside this class? Why digital marketing? Okay, you must be able to look at the advantage of automated digital marketing. All right. So forms and type of digital marketing. Yes, we have to look at the trends. What are the trends? What are the types? Okay, of digital marketing, and we'll conclude after that. Once you can know all these things, you know by the time you should know what to say when you are talking about I want to learn digital marketing. All right. So the next thing we are going to look at now is the concept of digital marketing. All right, digital marketing refers to the and techniques used to promote product, service through digital channels. These channels may include the internet, the social media, mobile devices, email, and search engines. The goal of digital marketing is to attract and engage with the desired audience, increase website or landing page traffic, and ultimately convert leads into customers. This involves implementing various strategies and tactics. If you look at this, it's talking about the use of digital skills, digital tools. Okay, digital tools. Smartphone is the digital tools. All right, we have been doing digital marketing from our forefathers, sending yarns from one area to other. Okay, they are using manual means. But right now, we want to use digital means. It's still marketing, but we want to make it in a digital form. So if you are talking about what to learn digital marketing, you have to be specific. Digital marketing is just a method, a broader method where we use to arrive at our destination. It's like a channel. Okay? So you can either be social media channel, mobile devices channel, through email as a channel, search engine optimization as a channel. So that is the meaning of digital marketing. If you are selling clothes, how can you include digital in your clothing? Okay? Can you get what I'm saying? If you are selling shoes, how can you include digital means? Digital means digital tools to your shoe to reach wider audience. That is the meaning of digital marketing. Okay, so it covers varieties of engagement and varieties of channels. So you have to know which channels you are focusing on as digital tools when you're talking about digital marketing. All right, I believe you are getting that. Okay, so let's look at why what digital marketing is not. Yes, what it is not. Okay, what it is not. It is not spammy. Some people believe that digital marketer they go into people's DM. Okay, you don't spam people with unsolicited messages. See, let me tell you one thing. That you are poor or you don't have money, we are less concerned. People are less concerned whether you are rich or you are poor. People are less concerned. Okay, that you don't have cash, that your business is not booming, they are not concerned. Okay, so stop thinking that people will pity you because you are selling one kind of product or people will pity you to buy from you. No. So don't spam people, okay, with unnecessary message because you are trying to digitalize what you are selling. Okay, so digital marketing is not spamming people unnecessarily. Digital marketing is not one size fits all. Yes, it's not a one size fits all approach. What work for business A might not work for business B. So that is it. That's why we have so many tools in digital marketing. Okay, that someone is going to SEO in digital marketing does not mean you also must go to SEO. You have to know the kind of things you want to go for. You have to know what your business needs in digital marketing industry. You have to know that. So it's not a one size fit all. It requires you to look at the strategy that is best for you. Okay, look at the strategy best for you and use. Okay, look at the one that is tailored, that will enhance your audience. What is the essence of business? Business is a game of number. How you can gain target audience. Okay, so it's not a one size fit all. Guarantee success. Digital marketing does not guarantee any success. Okay, if you don't make it work, it cannot work. There's a lot of things that say a body will remain at a state of rest unless it is acted upon by an external force. If you don't act on some things, it will not work. You may have the large information so far that can transform the world. If you don't act on those information, it should not work for you. So you have to execute. There should be a thorough execution in your digital marketing success. Digital marketing is not social media. Yeah, some people are like that. It's not only social media is one important aspect, but it's not only social media. We talk about digital marketing, some people talk about Facebook. That is not the only thing involved in digital marketing. Please don't forget, don't get me wrong. It's one of the vital important aspects, but there are other aspects you must not neglect. If you focus on social media alone, thinking that that is all about digital marketing, you are failing. Okay, so these four, we have many. So I've seen this misconception in people's mind. That's why I try to address it. It's not a one size fits all. Okay, that what I'm doing, you want to do for your business, you may fail in flying colors. All right, so let's check the next thing that we have in our slide. All right, the next thing we have there is why digital marketing. Why digital marketing? Okay, digital marketing has become increasingly important for businesses of all sizes into digital age. So let's look at some of the reasons. There is a measurable result. You can measure your result in digital marketing. Yes, you can measure your results. Okay, it is more speedy than the manual method. Branding. Some of us, we need to brand ourselves. Okay, you need to brand ourselves. I still teach us the full meaning of brand. All right, you have to brand yourself. You have to become. You have to be reliable. You have to be available. All right, okay, you have to develop new ideas. You have to be disciplined as a brand builder. So digital marketing helps you to build a brand. People will see your brand is not logo. Please, your brand is not logo. Okay, all right. Cost effective. Yes, it helps us to minimize cost. Yes, there are some things you can do at a go. Okay, and competitive advantage. It places you ahead of your competitors. If you apply data to anything you are doing, it places you ahead of your competitor. You can be millions of people saying the same thing you are doing the same business you are doing. If you include digital marketing, oh God, you are going to be ahead of them. And it helps to reach wider audience. I said something the other time. Business is a game of number. How many audience you can reach? That is business. If you cannot reach much audience, your business will suffer. So it is a game of numbers. So it helps you to reach wider audience. Okay, we have so many advantage. They can look into it. Okay, so these are the few I want to talk about. So let's look at the trend types that we have. Okay, we have a lot. Data includes variety tactics and strategies. All right. So let's look at some of it. Email marketing. Yes. So if you say you want to learn digital marketing, these are the things you have to pick. You have to be specific. I have some people that all they do is digital marketing. All they do is digital marketing. They don't do anything. Okay. It's email marketing. They don't do anything apart from email marketing. All right. So what do they do in email marketing? Email marketing is just for you to target some audience through the use of emails. Yeah, the use of email made cheap. Okay, it's one of the things we use to target. People are making tons of millions by using email targeting. Okay, but the problem we have in this era is that most of us don't check our emails. And all of these guys, you must be able to develop habit of checking emails every morning. Check your emails in the afternoon, in the night before you sleep. We have social media aspect. Okay, some of us like myself, okay, one of it is social media. I deal with social media. How to boost your Instagram, boost your all these things. Yeah, you have to learn something like that. Mobile apps. Some people are doing mobile apps, UI UX designs. They are on mobile apps. They build mobile apps. They sell information through mobile app. SEO, search engine optimization. There is a way you can make your You can make your business viable and reachable at the search engine, on Google search engine. You can optimize it for you and make it it helps you to rank higher. Okay, search engine helps you to rank higher in your business. Content marketing, yes, content. Yes, where we have copywriting, content marketing. Okay, you should be able to write content that will drive and arouse people to buy from you. Okay, you have to use digital campaign. All right, digital campaign where you use ads. Okay, you have some aspect of ads that people are using ads. You have seen some ad. One of it is very common in this our, if you are using Boom Player. Okay, when you play Boom Player and your data is on, you see some advert popping up. Yeah, people are paying for ads. As you click, they call it pay per click. As you click, okay, those people that owns that site, they are getting paid by you clicking. So all these are data we are buying. They are useful for people. Okay, as you are buying data, you're using it, you are making money for people. So you too, you have to sit down. There are more. There are more types. There are more trends in digital marketing. Okay, there are more trends in digital marketing. You have some channels also to those types. Okay, web design is a channel. It's not really a type of digital marketing, but it's a channel to reach all those types. Okay, so you have to look into it. What do I need? Which aspect of digital marketing do I need to fall into? You can't be all rounder, please. Okay, so let's, because of our time. So in conclusion of what you have been saying so far, digital marketing is crucial for every business. You cannot succeed without it. It's crucial. Okay, it help you reach wider audience and it help you to grow your business in today's digital world. So don't think that it's not for me. Digital marketing is not for me. It's for you. If you want to grow your business, if you want to grow wider in this industry, okay, you have to use digital marketing. So thank you for this class. So don't joke with this class. You have to subscribe to the school YouTube channel to avoid missing any update. Don't miss any update. Subscribe so that you can enjoy anytime you update classes. You won't miss lecture, because at the end of the day, certificate will be given to everyone, and if you don't at least participate in some levels that will require 60%, okay, you're not going to be certified. Okay, so subscribe so that we won't miss anything. If you have any question, drop it on the comment below, drop it inside the group. Thank you. Stay blessed.